Hello everyone, my name is Rashi Goyal. My roll number is 20EX20024. I am from section 14. So today I have made fidget spinner using this FreeCAD software. I made its different part in this software. So let us look at them one by one. Firstly, I made this outer frame using the part design workbench. For this I used the sketch option in the part design, and then I made this figure, and then with the help of padding option I just give it a width, and then with help of fillet option I gave width to its outer boundary. This is another tool. This is the bearing which I made using the part workbench. For this I uses cylinders in the part workbench. Firstly I use the 4 cylinders by coinciding them, concentric cylinders, by changing their radii, and then with the help of boolean operation I just cut the piece into to create this cylindrical pipe, hollow pipe structure. And then with the help of sphere option in the part workbench I drawn this sphere, and then with the help of array option I just duplicated these arrays to give it a bearing type structure. So next I made this pen, which I firstly used the part design workbench to create a sketch, and then with the help of revolve option I rotated this, and then with the help of part design workbench I again created another sketch for this greater circle of greater radii, and then with the help of padding option I combined the two, and then with the help of fillet option I gave its edges a width. So similarly I made another pin similar to this. So this is the other pin, and then I combined all the parts, bearing, pen and the outer frame, to make my fidget spinner. So the final structure look like this. So this is our final structure after assembling all the features. So now let us see it on other software, Cura. I exported its STL file after creating a mesh. So this is Cura software. Here firstly I exported this file, and then I checked its dimensions, and this software basically is used to check its feature before printing it. So, and I just placed it on the model, and then I checked the revolve option and try to revolve it, and then I check other features such as infill density and the speed, and then I slice the part and check it's less than 8 hours, and I checked how it's made properly from initial stages. Thank you.